So whenever you get a new phone, I always recommend customizing it. So I'm going to be showing you how to change app icon sizes on the Galaxy S20 5G Fan Edition. Now, before we get into this, still want to recommend everybody check out this free phone sweepstakes we've got going on with USweeps. Now, we partnered up with these guys for the last couple of years. It's just a quick email submit if you want to enter into it. So I'll have a link in both the description and comments if you guys want to check it out. Alrighty, so the benefit to doing this is it's actually going to give you more space in both your app drawer and home screen. In order to change this setting, what you need to do is just go into your app drawer and then click the little 3-digit icon in the top right hand corner. So when you do this, you're going to get some different home screen options on here. It's going to show you like an app screen grid, home screen grid. What we want to do here is change it. So it should be set on like the 4x5 or something like that. But if you scroll over to the right, you're going to see that it will condense the apps in both your app drawer and home screen if you change this setting. So it's basically going to allow you to get more stuff on one page. I think it's useful because, it depends on the person, but for me personally, I like having things more condensed so I can fit like more apps on one page as opposed to having to like scroll over a ton. And like I said, you can do the same thing with your home screen, same option. So you can see it'll make the app icon sizes smaller, and then you could always switch them back larger if you want. Anyways, just a little tip here on this S20 5G Fan Edition. Absolutely love this phone, and I want to do a little bit more of that Into the Dead 2 gameplay and put some working on this. Okay, if you guys could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let's get into some of this gameplay.